Did you know Canva has hidden animation features most people don't even use? Today, I'll show you some simple hacks that will make your designs look next level. Let's get started. Let's start with one of the most popular animations in Canva, Match and Move. It's simple, powerful, and gives your video that smooth, professional feel. First, head down to the bottom of your screen where you see the Pages option. Click it to open the thumbnail menu. Now, let's bring in some visuals. I'll search for a fish curry image. Once you've selected the best image you want, place it right at the center of your page. Keeping everything consistent is key. Next, let's add a rectangle element. Place it on the left side of the image and set it to no color. Now duplicate this rectangle and place the copy on the right side. Here's the trick. Group your image with these elements, and then hide the one on the right side. Repeat the same method on your previous image, so your workspace stays clean and your animation flows smoothly. Now, duplicate page 1. This gives us 2 pages to work with. On page 2, move the center image over to the left side, with the hidden element still in place. Then take the hidden image from the right side and bring it to the center. Once both images are positioned, it's time to bring them to life. Go to the space between the pages, click Add Transition. From there, choose Match and Move. And just like that, the animation is applied. Repeat this same process for page 3 and beyond. Now, when you preview the design, you'll see a smooth, professional-looking match and move animation that feels seamless, almost like magic inside Canva. Now let's explore another amazing Canva animation, Pan and Zoom. We'll use this effect to reveal each facial emotion one by one, almost like a cinematic story. To begin, add your photo. For this example, I'm choosing a children's birthday picture. Don't click Set Image as background. Instead, just drag the photo manually to fill the entire page. Next, head to the bottom and click the Pages icon to switch into Edit View. This will make it easier to duplicate and manage our slides. Now, duplicate page 1. On page 2, zoom out the screen for easier resizing. Now, position the frame on the left side to zoom in on one child's face. Duplicate this page again. On page 3, move the image to capture another child's face on the right side. Duplicate once more for page 4. This time, focus on the cake to highlight that special moment. Then, duplicate again for page 5 and zoom out to capture the full image of all the children together. Finally, keep page 1 as the normal starting view. And now, the magic begins. Choose Transition and select Match and Move. Set the duration to 1.3 seconds and apply it between all pages. Then, adjust the timing to 2 seconds for each slide. Preview the animation, and wow! You'll see a smooth pan and zoom effect that reveals every emotion, every detail, and brings your story to life in the most amazing way. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our creative community. Finally, let's explore the Parallax Movement, a powerful zoom transition that works beautifully with both text and images to create a dramatic reveal. Here's how we do it. First, add your text. Choose any topic you like, increase the size, and place it right at the top of your page. Once that's ready, duplicate page 1. Now, let's edit page 1. Drag your chosen image to the bottom to hide. Zoom out your Canva view and resize the text bigger, showing only the space you want to reveal. Next comes the magic. Click between the 2 pages, select Transition, and choose Match and Move. Set the duration to 1.4 seconds and adjust the timing to 2 seconds. Now preview the animation, and wow! You'll see an amazing parallax zoom effect. Simple, smooth, and so effective. It instantly gives your design a professional cinematic touch. We've just explored 3 Canva animations: Match and Move, Pan and Zoom, and Parallax Movement. Which one did you learn for the very first time today? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more creative tips.